Sky Blue Credit Repair Full Review. Features, strengths, weaknesses. Links to the company and all important resources are in the description below. In this review, I'll explain exactly how Sky Blue Credit Repair works, who it is designed for, what features it offers, and the key strengths and weaknesses you should understand before signing up. Sky Blue Credit Repair is a US-based credit repair service focused on helping consumers identify and dispute inaccurate, outdated, or unverifiable negative items on their credit reports. The company is designed for individuals with damaged credit who want professional assistance improving their credit profile instead of handling disputes entirely on their own. One of the biggest strengths of Sky Blue Credit Repair is simplicity. Unlike some competitors that overwhelm users with complicated packages and upsells, Sky Blue keeps its service structure relatively straightforward. The company typically focuses on disputing negative items with all three major credit bureaus and helping clients understand the factors affecting their credit scores. Another major advantage is flexibility in dispute handling. Sky Blue allows users to pause or cancel services relatively easily compared to some long-term credit repair contracts in the industry. The platform also provides personalized dispute strategies rather than fully automated generic dispute letters, which may help certain users with more complex credit situations. Another strength is transparency. Sky Blue generally avoids unrealistic promises and focuses on legally disputing inaccurate or questionable negative items rather than claiming it can completely erase legitimate debt history. The company also offers credit monitoring recommendations and educational guidance to help users build healthier long-term credit habits alongside the dispute process. On the downside, one of the biggest weaknesses is cost. Like most credit repair services, monthly fees can add up over time, especially since credit repair is often a slow process that may take several months to produce noticeable changes. Another limitation is that no credit repair company can legally remove accurate negative information from a credit report. This means results depend heavily on the accuracy of the reported items and the individual's financial history. Some users may expect dramatic score increases and become disappointed if improvements are gradual or limited. Another drawback is that many of the dispute processes offered by Sky Blue can technically be done independently for free if consumers are willing to learn the process and contact credit bureaus themselves. Additionally, while customer reviews are generally positive compared to many competitors, outcomes still vary significantly depending on the client's specific credit profile. Overall, Sky Blue Credit Repair is best suited for consumers with damaged credit who want professional guidance disputing inaccurate credit report items and improving credit management habits without dealing with the process entirely on their own. If your priority is a relatively transparent and straightforward credit repair service with fewer aggressive upsells than many competitors, Sky Blue remains one of the more established options in the credit repair industry.